Hi there, just want to congratulate you for your choice on a FreshAir by Vollara. I'm going to be walking you through the setup of this unit. My name is Dr. Myra Yotto, and actually I have here with me my husband Antonio. And hey, thanks Antonio. And he's going to be showing you exactly what you're going to be doing to set up this unit. First of all, you should have received in your box not only the FreshAir. If you haven't taken it out of your box, you can do that now. In addition, you should have received some materials with like a florist journal with some other written materials in it. And then also, besides that, you'll have a spare plate that you see there, and then also the power cord and the unit's remote control. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now is let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and plug the unit in and show you how to use it. Okay, so after you've placed the batteries in your remote, then go ahead and plug in your unit. And we're going to go ahead and power it on. I'm going to zoom in to the front of the unit here. As you can see, there we have different control panels. We have different controls. We have a power button. I don't know if you can see. You'll see in front of yours. You have a fan control. There's a reminder reset, purifier up and down, away mode, and normal and high. Let's go ahead and turn on the unit. Right on the panel, as you see, it's lighting up. It should be reading RCI, which is our radiant catalytic ionization technology. It's space certified. And so then what I'm going to do after that is we're going to go ahead and let's just take the fan speed down. So you can see how to control that. You should see the bars changing on the front of the unit. And then let's go ahead and take them back up. We want to run this on high as much as possible, as long as the fan noise does not bother you. Okay, so the other thing I want to point out is next we've got the reminder reset. We'll talk about that in a second. The next controls are the purifier. This is what's going to introduce the activated oxygen into the space that oxidizes odors and other off-gassing chemicals that might be in the environment. So as you see here, Antonio's taking it down. It's just going down in square footage. Initially, it'll be showing at 250, and it'll be increasing 250 feet all the way up to 3,000. Okay, so the next button we're going to look at here is the away. Let's go ahead and press the away button. You'll see 2 hours appear on the screen. If we press it one more time, it'll be 4, and again 6, finally 8 hours. This is a program mode. It takes it all into high in purification and fan. It's like a full blast. It will be sanitizing and taking care of anything on your surfaces or in the air in wherever environment it's in. You'll notice it says area must be unoccupied, and it's kind of like you know, you have a furnace where you can put it all the way up to maybe 95 degrees, but you probably wouldn't want to run it there and be in the same room while it's at 95. It would be kind of uncomfortable, sweating, this kind of thing. So it's similar to that, where while you're running away, you don't want to be in the room because it might not be as comfortable. Okay, so the next thing we have is the normal and high setting, and this just takes it in from the RCI to the purification. If you just want to toggle it there, you can choose to do it from that point. Okay, let's go ahead and you look at the remote control. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in on the remote control now. We have all the same functions there, so everything we just went over you can control with your remote. Okay, now for best results, the unit should be in a central location in your home, ideally 5 to 6 feet or higher off the ground. As you can see, we have ours up here on top of our refrigerator. That is at least, I'd say 6, 7 feet off the ground. If you can get it at least 5 feet, that's fine. It could be on top of a bookshelf, maybe on top of some kind of cabinet or the refrigerator, as you see here in our case. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to start this on the low setting. Let's take it back down now to 250. Actually, I want you to start it on RCI for today. And then tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and take it up on the purifier button. You just control it on the purifier setting there, as you see Antonio doing. Just take it up to 250. And we're going to introduce this into your environment slowly. Okay, and we'll be taking this up one notch on the purification every day. And what you want to notice is when you walk into the environment, it should feel like just think of after a thunderstorm where it smells really clean, or if you're smelling clothes that have been hanging out, it's kind of a crisp, clean smell. You should perceive that, and then after about a minute or so, it should really go away into the background of your senses. Now, once you notice that it doesn't, you want to take that purification setting back to wherever you had it the day before, and that will tell us the appropriate setting, or what we would refer to as maintenance mode, for your environment or your home. It's all going to depend on the people and the different contaminants that are happening. So please do not try to do the math problem and put it on the square footage in your home. It's really not the best thing to do. Okay, we're just going to introduce it slowly into the environment to make sure that all of the contaminants that are in your home will be taken care of in a gradual fashion so everybody's comfortable. All right, well, that's it with the setup of the unit. You will be receiving a call from your Vollara consultant tomorrow to check in on you and see how everything's going. Make sure that that you followed this setup, and also make sure that you're going through your checklist in your materials that you received along with the unit. I look forward to seeing you on some of our training calls very, very soon. Again, congratulations on taking the first step at looking at our business through one of our top selling products. I'm sure you're going to love it.